morning everyone. Welcome you all after summer vacation. Student, I hope you all have enjoyed your holidays. So now we are again resuming our online classes with new chapter. That is Microsoft Paint. Our 2 chapter already completed. Okay. And now our 3rd chapter is started today is your Microsoft Paint. What is Microsoft Paint? It is a simple graphic program to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with colors. So it will be amazing for you student. Now today we will learn how to paint, how to make drawing in computer system. Okay, so you will also feel very good if you have computers in your home. So you all have to do practice in paint and you have to make drawing and you have to send pictures to me. Okay, it is your activity. Who having the computers in their home, they will use Microsoft Paint. Even the student, those who are I will give you a app also. If you have no computer in your home, I will give you an app in your mobile also. I will suggest you a good app where you can draw, where you can do drawing also. Okay, so student, it's a time for learning and enjoying the paint. So first of all, we will learn how to open paint. Okay, here we will learn how to open paint. So this is, you have to learn very carefully. You have to watch this carefully from where you can open your paint program. And this you can practice in your home. Okay, from where you will open, this is your start button. As you have remembered, from this start button also the computer shut down. Okay, so this is the same start button you have to click. This is your taskbar, we learned in the previous chapter. Okay, so in this taskbar there is at the leftmost corner a start button is there. So you have to click on the start button. As you click on the start button, you have to choose all programs. Okay, what you have to do, again I am repeating, you have to click on the start button and then you have to click on the all programs. As you click on the all programs, then you have to select accessories option. You have to choose the accessories option. If you are all are able to see this is your accessories option. ACCESSORES. Okay, this is your accessories option. You have to click on this accessories option. As you click on the accessories option, so there are the options available here. So many accessories are present with your computer system. With your विंडोज़, आपकी विंडोज़ के साथ बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल होते हैं जिन्हें आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि कैलकुलेटर, as explained in the previous chapter also. Okay, notepad. Similarly, a paint is also a facility given by the Windows to us for making that we can draw pictures in this software. Okay, in this accessory. So here you can see this is your paint option. You have to click on the paint. As you click on the paint, it will open in front of you like this. I hope you all are enjoying this, looking this. It is very good software for you all student. So here we are learning also, we are enjoying also how to make drawings. So first today only, we will not draw anything today. We will only learn how to open. How to open we learned. Now we will learn different tools. अब कभी भी हम कोई ड्राइंग बनाते हैं, कोई नई चीज़ सीखते हैं, तो पहले हमें ये सीखना होता है कि वो काम होगा कैसे, उसके लिए हमें क्या क्या किस कंटेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, राइट। तो पहले इस पेंटिंग प्रोग्राम में हम कैसे पेंटिंग करेंगे, हाउ टू ड्रॉ इन दिस प्रोग्राम, वी विल लर्न व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टूल्स अवेलेबल, कौन से टूल्स हैं, हम किन का यूज़ कर सकते हैं और कैसे यूज़ करना है. This is all we need to learn. Okay, student? So this is your paint window, where you can see there are two main menus or tabs. One is home tab and one is view tab. Okay, two main tabs are there. One is home tab, one is view tab, and this is the option where you can create a new file. You can open a existing file that you have already made. आपने जो फाइल पहले से बनाई है उसे ओपन करने के लिए आपको ओपन ऑप्शन में जाना है. ओके, एंड देयर इज अ ऑप्शन ऑफ सेव ऑल्सो, सेव एज ऑल्सो, प्रिंट ऑल्सो. अपनी पेंटिंग को प्रिंट भी कर सकते हैं अगर आपके पास क्या है, प्रिंट करने के लिए प्रिंटर अवेलेबल है, कलर प्रिंटर. ओके, इवन ब्लैक एंड वाइट प्रिंटर में ब्लैक एंड वाइट आएगा, कलर नहीं आएगा. दैट दिस विल बी अ डिफरेंस, बट प्रिंट तो होगा ही बेटा. ओके, सो देयर आर ओनली टू टैब्स अवेलेबल. वन इज होम टैब, वन इज व्यू टैब. होम टैब में आपके सारे टूल्स हैं. ओके, ऑल टूल्स आर हेयर फॉर मेकिंग ड्राइंग, फॉर कलरिंग द ड्राइंग, फॉर मेकिंग द ड्राइंग. ओके, and in the view tab you can view, like you can zoom your drawing, zoom in, zoom out. आप display के लिए ही view app है. Okay, how to display your drawing. Okay, so you can see home tab में ये groups है, different groups are there, group of tools are there. Okay, just like for first is your clipboard. Okay, this is your image group. Okay, where there are the option, you can crop your drawing, you can resize your drawing, you can rotate your drawing. Okay, second group is tools group, where are different tools are available for drawing, just like your pencil. Okay, just like your fill with color, जिसमें आप कलर फिल कर सकते हैं अपनी ड्राइंग में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम मेकिंग अ सर्कल विथ कलर. You can see my drawing is very poor. Okay, student, so do not laugh. Okay, so see here, from here you can fill color. Oh, this is black color, we have to choose the color. For example, I want to choose this, so I can fill this. Okay, so this is a fill color option. Okay, here is the tool that with the help of which you can add text. आप text इसकी help से add कर सकते हैं. Okay, so by choosing this you can add text. See, a text box is displayed where you can add text. आप text add कर सकते हैं. Okay, whatever the color is selected here will, all the tools will work on in that color only. Okay, so you can change the color from this toolbar in the color tab, in color group. Okay, student, so here is the eraser also. You want to erase something from your drawing, you can also erase. Just like I want to erase this, so you can also erase. So this is your eraser. Okay, जैसे आप drawing करते हैं तो आपके पास eraser होता है ना बेटा, similarly eraser is there. Just like this is your color color preciser. Okay, this is your color picker. You can pick your color with the help of this. Okay, this is your color picker. Okay, you can pick your color and resize your, just like you want to pick this color and you want to pick this color, so you can pick it with the help of this. This is your color picker. Okay, next is your this is your lens, where you can see your picture in lens. Like if there is any mistake in your drawing, you can watch it with the help of lens. Okay, okay, so this is your brushes. Different type of brushes are there, so you can select your brush type. For example, you want to select this brush, For example, you want to select this brush, a little bit darker brush, you want to select this brush, okay, you want to select this brush, okay. Different type of brushes are there. You want to select this, okay, you can select this one, just like this. So it's just like your painting colors, okay. Clear to you, everyone? So I'm just removing all these drawings, okay. And now let me show you. There are the shapes are also present here. You can select these shapes. For example, you want to shape like this. I don't want to select the brush now. I want to select the pencil and I want to select this. This is your shape you can use, okay. So I want to take a pencil, I want to make one circle. So there are also different types of shapes are also available there, okay. For example, I want to make a star, so I can make a star like this. I want to make this shape, I can make this shape also. I want to make an arrow, I can make arrow. I want to make a star like this, okay. I want to make a star like this, okay. They are the just different types of shapes are available here, okay. So these are the shapes that you can use, okay. You can make triangle with the help of this shape, okay. And you can color these also. For example, you're selecting the color and you can fill it like this. You want to fill, okay. You want to fill with other color. You want to fill with this with this color. You can, and you can fill with this color, okay. You can fill with this color. See, different types of drawing you can make, okay. There are the different type of shapes are also available which you can use. For example, the heart shape, okay. So you want to fill it, so you can also fill, okay. So there are the different types of shapes available, okay. And there are the colors, okay. Here, this is your color box. Just like your colors in your home, you have the collection of colors. Similarly, this is your colors, okay. Color 1, color 2. They are the sizes of your brush also, which type of line you want from your pencil, from your brush, okay. Thicker line, this thinner line, okay. And there are the, you can also edit the colors. You want more different colors, different mixture of colors you can make. For example, you want to make this color, so you can also make this color. For example, I want to fill it here, okay. See, a different color, okay. A different color you can have, okay. So you can also edit your colors. You can mix, जैसे हम करते हैं ना बेटा, like water color को mix करके नया color बनाना, right. Two colors को mix करके एक नया color बन जाता है. Similarly, ये आपका एक painting box है जिसमें आप colors को mix करके न्यू कलर भी अपना बना सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस कलर, ये इजीली आपको अवेलेबल नहीं होगा, लेकिन आप उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. यू कैन सी, ओके. सो दीज आर द ऑल टूल्स अवेलेबल फॉर योर ड्राइंग. ये आपकी ड्राइंग के लिए सारे के सारे टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं जो मैंने आपको समझाया, ओके. सो यूजिंग विद दीज टूल्स यू कैन मेक शेप्स, ओके. To select any shape, move the mouse pointer to the tools in the shapes group and click on it. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम शेप के बारे में ही आज जानते हैं, जैसे कि मैंने आपको शेप बना के दिखाई, ओके. आई शोन यू हाउ टू मेक शेप्स, ओके. So let's take another page. For taking another page, we have to click on this office button, this button, okay. This is your button from where you can select new, okay. As I clicked on the new, a new page will display. So now we will use the shapes, different shapes. We will use different shapes. You can see this is your shape, a triangular shape, This is your shape. Okay, this is also your shape. This is also a shape. This is quadrilateral. Okay, polygon. You can see this is also your shape. Hexagon. दिस इज़ योर पेंटागन. इट मीन जिसकी 5 साइड होती है उसे पेंटागन बोलते हैं, इसकी 4 साइड उसे क्वाड्रिलेटर बोलते हैं, राइट. और जिसका आपकी 1 2 6 साइड होती है उसे हेक्सागन बोलते हैं. ओके, इट्स अ नेम जस्ट लाइक अ ट्राइंगल. 3 साइड वाले को हम ट्राइंगल बोलते हैं. 3 साइड वाले शेप को हम ट्राइंगल कहते हैं. ओके, दीज आर द एरोज. फॉरवर्ड एरो, बैकवर्ड एरो. ओके, we have to use all shapes na, so we have to just, this is the arrow that is showing upward, a downward arrow. Okay, and a star, different types of star are there. Okay, you can see this is different, little bit different. Okay, and this one is little bit different. You can see different type of shapes are there. This is one of the, this is shape, you can see. Okay, this one is also there, and this is just like this. Okay, this is a heart shape we'll make here, and this is your shape that is showing that current is coming, like बिजली गिरती है तो उसमें शो करते हैं ना, राइट. तो उसका शेप है. ओके, so these are the different shapes available. Circular shape. Okay, so many other shape. Rectangular shape, little bit a different shape. This is a shape that from where you can join the lines. It's a very good shape. Okay, this is very helpful tool. This is called polygon. इसे कहते हैं polygon. इससे आप कितने भी साइड वाला बना सकते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ये बनाया, ये किया, लाइक ये किया, लाइक ये किया, लाइक ये किया, लाइक ये ज्वाइन कर दिया. सी, यू कैन मेक सो मेनी साइड्स. ओके, और ट्राइंगल तो यू नो दैट, ट्राइंगल शेप. और अदर शेप्स वी ऑलरेडी यूज्ड. वन ऑफ दिस इज अ लाइन, एंड दिस इज योर कर्व शेप, लिटिल बिट कर्व. सी, आपको क्या करना है, ऐसे प्लेस करना है. you have to place the line like this, and then you have to turn the line like this. Okay, so these are the all shapes available in your Microsoft Paint. आपके Microsoft Paint में जितने भी shapes available हैं वो सब मैंने आपको display कर दी. Okay, now we will fill the colors. अब हम colors fill करने वाले हैं. Okay, so different colors we are going to fill. For example, this color I want to fill in this. Wait a minute, little bit. We have to take the fill color first. Okay, and now I'm using this color. This color I want to use this. Okay, and this color I want to use here, and this color I want to use here, and yellow color I want to use here, and the blue color I want to use here, and this color I want to use here, and this color I want to use here. Okay, so looking very beautiful after colors. All you are enjoying it or not? Okay, so see here, so many colors are there, so many beautiful colors are there. You can use these colors very effectively and very easily. Okay, so this is also a different color. So my colors are, all colors are used. So now I will edit the colors. Okay, so I want to make a color like this. Okay, so now a different color is there. So see, a different color is there. I want to make a one more color from here to here. Wait a minute, from here a little bit yellow, little bit orange. Okay, it is not totally orange, but it is just looking like orange. Okay, one color is this. This is different orange, this is different orange. I made it. Okay, so you can see, you can make your own color with the help of this. See, Okay, so different colors you can add. Okay, so you can enjoy the drawing. These are the shapes you can use in your drawing. Okay, आपकी drawing में आप इन shapes का use कर सकते हैं. So I hope all are colored here now. Okay, so these are the shapes, different shapes available in your Microsoft Paint. So thank you everyone. We'll enjoy this topic again in next video also. So many things are available here. Okay, I hope you all have learned something from here with lots of fun. Okay, so student, keep watch the video in a regular basis. आप regular basis में videos को देखो. Computers में आपके लिए बहुत interesting things है. But beta, if you're not watching a one video and you're watching a second video, then you will not learn properly. Okay, for learning something you need to be continuous. आपको लगातार उस वीडियोस को देखना होगा, मतलब एक पर्टिकुलर मैनर में देखना होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अभी आपकी आज की क्लास आपको वीडियो डिस्प्ले होगी तो आपको उसे आज ही देखना है. whenever your next video will come, you need to watch that video on that particular day. So I hope you all have understood it. So thank you everyone. Keep watching the video and we will continue with this chapter in our next video.